Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are featuring Makartt's Snatched and Blushed holiday collection. The first thing that I wanted to get into that comes in this collection is their Christmas nail art stickers. So quickly I'm just going to show you these and then we're going to get into the gel polish. So this gel polish set is called Snatched and Blushed Gel Polish Kit. It comes with 6 colors, and for the swatches, I did 1 coat coverage on the cream colors. On the glitters, I kind of floated them a little bit in certain places, kind of like you would do a builder gel. You don't have to do that. You can go in with 2 coats. I just did that for the purpose of the swatches. And you can kind of see it here. I'm applying it like a little bit like you would do a builder gel. So I'm going to go through all of the swatches for you. And definitely, I really loved this kit. I love this set of polishes. I really love the colors. I love the nudes. I love the pinks. And some people might be surprised. I really like the brown color that was in the kit, and I'm not usually a brown color on my nails kind of person, but for some reason lately I've been gravitating more to brown, so I'm glad that brown was in there, and I really did like it. So again, I just did 1 coat coverage over everything, and the colors in the kit in order as swatched are highlighter, rosy, cheeky. This color I'm swatching now is called bronzer. The next color is glow, and then the brown that I liked is called contour. So I was thinking that glow glowed in the dark, but it doesn't. It's more like a bright white. So just wanted to let you guys know that. And the last color again that I'm swatching is the brown that I absolutely loved, and that is called contour. So here are all the colors swatched. I think I said earlier that I really do like this set of gel polishes. One of the glitters is more gold heavy and the other one has more of a pink, and the camera really wasn't picking up on that too well. But I just wanted to let that be known. So the first poly gel kit that I'm going to be unboxing is the blushed kit. So you get stickers, you get 180 grit file, dual forms, instructions, the picker tool, which is a picker, and the other side is the brush. You also get a top and a base coat. The colors in this kit are Kiki, Glow, Rosy, and Cheeky. And I do like these colors. Again, I really like that it's a holiday collection, but it's not green, gold, red. I like that it's like pinks and nudes, so you can kind of get like different styles of designs, different holiday style designs. One thing that I noticed this year, and this is totally off topic, is for Halloween. You guys, I don't do Halloween themed nails. I really don't do Halloween or Christmas themed nails or anything like that. But one thing that I noticed a lot this year for the Halloween nails, there were so many more colors used than just the green, the purple, and the orange, and the black. So I did appreciate that. And again, I appreciate Makartt's holiday collection not just being those typical colors. So this polygel kit, you get all of the same things you get in the first kit as far as the dual forms, the top and the base coat, and things like that. This kit is called Snatch'd, and the colors that you get in this kit are highlighter, which is the silver glitter color, bronzer, which is a bronzy gold color, then you get blended, and then you get contour. And those are the 4 colors that come in this kit. So I cannot stress enough how refreshing it is that a holiday kit is not the typical holiday colors. So I think Makartt did a good job. So what I'm going to use on my nails today is I'm going to finally use Makartt's nail pump ups. These came in Baby Girl's Nails, Jamie's November box, which is still available. The information will be in the description box below. How to sign up for your nail lab. So I'll leave the link for that down below. So there's multiple ways you can adhere these tips. A lot of people like to etch the inside. I really didn't feel like dealing with the dust, as I don't most of the time. So I just went in with JC Beauty Concepts primer. And I do have a review on them coming up very soon, so make sure you're subscribed for that. So I just put the primer on the inside of the nail. So I've prepped my nails, dehydrated my nails, primed my nails, and put my base coat. Now I'm going to attach the tips. Basically, I'm going in with rubber base coat, and this is the method that I typically use. I've been using it for a while. The rubber base coat I'm using is from Eden's Rose. You guys know I swear by this stuff. And I'm just applying them. The lamp that I'm using did come from a previous kit, so I'll link that video that you could watch the video to see where I got that lamp from. I haven't really found the lamp anywhere else at a good affordable price, because it is something that I do want to start offering on my website. So soon those will be on my website if I could find a good vendor. So I'm just showing you how I apply the tips. This is the easiest way for me. You guys have seen me use different lamps before, but this gooseneck lamp is absolutely the easiest way because my view is not obstructed at all. So you guys have heard me say before too, these tips are not going to fit everyone's nails perfectly. However, I do love how I didn't have to do that many alterations after applying these tips. So for me, these tips are pretty good, and I'm not just saying that because I'm an ambassador with Makartt. You can see my application on these versus other applications was pretty neat. I'm just going around the cuticles and the sidewalls and sealing that in. So I want a smooth transition from my natural nail to the nail tip. And I know a lot of people file on top of them before they apply it. I don't really see the point, because once you put it on your nail and you have that rubber base coat underneath, things can shift. Sometimes your tips shrink when you put that rubber base coat. So I like to do it after. I also wanted to point out the sizes that I used. I do have wide nail beds. So I use 0 for my thumb. I use 5 for my fingers. And then I used 8 for my pinky. So my nail beds are a little bit wider. So if anyone with wider nail beds was worried about the nail tips, those are the sizes that I use. So definitely you can check that out. And pretty much everything that I'm using, I will link down below. If I have discount codes, it will be right there next to the link as well. So what I did was I went in with the highlighter gel polish and painted a couple of the nails, just the tips. And now I'm going in with the blended polygel, and I'm kind of trying to do like an ombre. I'm doing a high ombre, but if like what I did on the thumb, I had too much polygel, so you can just wipe that off the nail and then go ahead and continue your blend. And you can place your blend, your ombre, wherever you want, but I kind of wanted a high ombre. And I am doing my application with the brush that came in the kit, and then I'm using the base coat. It's easier for me, and I think I said this in my last video because it was another Makartt polygel video. When the polygels are firmer and or stickier, I find it easier to use a base coat. I usually use base coat pretty much with everything. With softer polygels, it can be challenging, but based on the temperature in my nail room, it was pretty cold, so my polygel was pretty stiff. You guys probably saw me struggling to get that out for the swatches. So temperature-wise, the base coat worked out perfectly. It helped me move that polygel to where I needed it to be. I find with alcohol, for me, I have a harder time getting that polygel smooth and getting rid of like any dips or bumps or anything like that. So definitely, if you're struggling with getting a smooth application, I would try the base coat. It doesn't hurt anything if it doesn't work out, but definitely give that a try and see if that can help you get a smoother application. I did go in with the brown gel polish that I was just in love with, and that color is called Contour for the, was that my middle finger? For the ring finger, and I did the ombre on there too. On this pinky, I'm just going in with a full nail of the polygel, and I really, really, really love this color for my skin tone. I know Makartt usually sells, they have started selling a lot of their colors in the 30 milliliter tube. I'm hoping and praying that this is one of the colors because I love this tannish brown or caramel color on my skin tone. So for the nails that I did the ombre, I'm just going in with some Makartt clear polygel, and I'm going to encapsulate. Sorry, I lost my words for a second. I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate that gel polish, and I do an encapsulation on a gel polish using something else in the next couple of clips, so keep watching for that. On this nail, I went in with 2 coats of the highlighter. Yes, I went into with 2 coats of the highlighter gel polish, and I'm sorry, the bronzer gel polish. And I am encapsulating that with my rubber base coat, and I'm just applying it like a hard gel. I flipped my nail upside down so it can kind of self-level. And that's what my nails look like before filing. So I did all my filing off camera, and now I'm going in with some gems. So I wanted to make sure that I did the design before I put it on my nails for my crystal or gem application. The rhinestones and the resin palette you can find on my website. That information will be in the description box below as well. And the gem glue that I'm using is by Not Polished, and it's a non-white glue. If that is still available on their website, that will be linked in the description box below as well. So just going in with Makartt's top coat, and I love how this set turned out. I love the colors. I did a successful crystal or gem placement, so I really, really like how this turned out. So yes, this can be a holiday look, but it's more of a subdued look, not so in your face obvious. But like I said, I really like what they did with this collection by doing something different. So after everything is said and done, I'm going in with my cuticle oil, which you guys know is available on my website as well. And after you do your nails, I try to apply cuticle oil myself twice a week. Make sure you're getting behind your nails. And then with my cuticle oil, if you use a lot, then you will be greasy. So a little bit goes a long way. And make sure after you rub it in your cuticles, rub it into the rest of your skin. It's a great skin oil as well. So let me know what you guys think. This is my finished look. I love how these turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you're not subscribed, please do so, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys again soon.